Hi everyone, the Gates Gate here where we bring you life in the Northeast. Today we're at the Luther Trailhead and in Malta, and we'll be going for a little trail walk today. Yeah. You guys excited?
Yes!
We put on our bug spray this time. Yay, no bug bites. And we also brought water with us. It's supposed to get warm today, so I don't...
No horseflies.
Yes, no horseflies. It's supposed to get warm today, so we'll see how long we're here. Yeah. Because we're also planning to go strawberry picking. And we didn't get to my parents yesterday, so we are doing that today too. We came to a fork in the road. They don't have any trail markers on this particular trail, but I think that we're going to go straight. Right, ladies? Yeah. Okay, let's go.
That one looks a little steep.
Now, there is a paved trail right over there, right next to us. Yeah. And we saw people running and biking, but we wanted to be in the woods.
Bug.
Well, woods.
Woods. I don't like the woods because there's going to be mud all over the place.
Well, maybe there's going to be mud. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Yep, I'll take my water. Oh, you know what? Let's go. There's a sign over here at the top of this one. Let's go see what it says. Over there. That way.
Oh.
So now we did find another start to this trailhead. So let's go see what the sign says. Oh, you know what? It's a map. Let's see. We are there. Okay. Leave no trace. All right. So now we know the way that the trail goes.
Yep. So what?
And it looks like it just goes in a big circle.
Bug spray in my mouth.
You sure I did, or did you walk into it?
Yeah, I walked into it. Talking.
Yeah. There's a big hill.
Yeah, look at the steep hill, guys.
All right. Hey, you need to wait up, guys. Don't get too far ahead.
Okay. Hi, trees. There's a ton of lemons.
Oh, hey, do you guys see the trail marker? Where?
Right there.
Yep, good eyes.
I got a bee necklace on. So bees attract my bee necklace.
You know, if you guys were quiet, you'd be able to hear the birds. They sound so pretty.
Yeah. They can either go down that way or that way.
Well, I think it's...
Mommy, look, there's a something cool over there.
It's a gazebo.
Can we go see it?
Of course, I was going to take us to go see it. I was going to see if we could take a picture there.
Nature, guys. Nature is fun. Guys, don't want to just steep hill.
Oh, yes. Very steep hill down that way. It is very cool. Now, Emily, Melody, remember not to sit.
Just stand right here, right?
Yep.
It's time. You're gonna put a picture in it. Picture in the video.
All right. This is nice. It'll, you know, in different circumstances, it would be nice to come in here and sit and take a break from your walk, right, ladies?
Yeah.
So what did you find, Miss Emily?
I found a trail marking right there.
Oh, yep, there's one.
And this thing.
Let's see what this is.
It looks like this is telling us
Oh,
something.
no, this is a black birch tree.
What is it saying?
So apparently there are these little signs throughout this trail telling you about the different things that are here. Here's one that tells us about the black birch tree. My favorite kind of tree is the white birch. Maybe we'll see some on this trail. So we came across another map that gives us an updated location finder.
Yeah, and it has a little daddy long legs on it.
Yep. So it shows us where we are.
2 daddy
So
long
we're
legs.
going to continue going this way.
There's 2 daddy long legs. One. Where's the other one?
Yep.
2.
Daddy long leg.
Daddy long legs. They're my favorite type of spider.
Now, all right. So we're headed this way.
What are baby daddy long legs? I've seen one. They end up in my school every year.
Oh, do they? So we found our way back to the foot trail that we had told you about. And we're going to head back to the car because it is starting to get warm. And we do still want to go strawberry picking before it gets too warm. And they open at 9. So it's about 8:30. We walked for about
35 minutes.
I'd say about 45.
45,
So I think that's pretty good. What do you guys think?
yeah, that was a really fun trail.
Yeah. So we're here at Bowman's Orchard. Now they are doing a drive-through strawberry you pick plan here. So we're currently in line waiting to pay for our fee to pick, and it's $5 per vehicle. And then we'll see how this goes.
Hi.
So we're here and we're parked and we're getting ready to go. Now these are the rules for strawberry picking during COVID. And then here's some more.
Yeah, those are the guidelines.
And here's some prices for everyone so that they know ahead of time. So you guys ready to go pick some strawberries?
Yeah.
All right, now they gave us gloves too, so we need to put those on, all right, ladies?
Okay. Well, one pair of gloves for me.
Yep.
Yeah, I'll grab these ones.
Here you go, Miss Melody. And like the directions said, we did have to purchase our containers here. We're only going to do a quart because we're not going to eat a whole bunch.
Yes. We're gonna pick so much stuff.
Well, a quart is not a lot, but
I'm gonna fill that. Just imagine this filled to the top with so many strawberries.
oh yeah.
I want strawberries. Make something out
Alrighty.
of strawberries.
So here we go. So that only took us about a half hour.
Yeah.
It didn't take that long at all. So, and it's still a little early to head over to because we're going to go visit family today. So I think that we might head over to Target and look around there and get into some air conditioning. And I do apologize for the noise. It is the air conditioner. But we're Northerners and we don't do well in heat because 9 months out of the year, it's cold. So thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.